Hey friends, it's Julie Cruz here, aka Threefold Cheek. I am in my new office that maybe you've seen pictures of, but I wanted to show you another space that is where the real magic happens inside my office, all of the work, the behind the scenes things that maybe you haven't seen. I want to give you a shot of that space today. It's really my assistant's office. Oh, you want to see her? There she is. Let's check it out. Welcome. This is where the true work happens. It might be pretty out there, but I created a custom cabinetry space in here specifically for my nail sets. Okay, I know what you're thinking. Okay, Julie, that's a lot. That's a lot of nail sets. If I was to be a stylist, would I have to have this many? The answer to that is no. I personally love having lots of nail sets because I like to spoil my VIPs and do lots of sales with them. And I like to give them fun candies and lots of things like that. If you're a VIP of mine, you know that. But if you don't want to, that's the beauty of joining as a stylist. You get to decide how much or how little you purchase. But for me, it's kind of fun to have a whole lot of nail sets. But don't worry, there's other things in here too, like fun goodies, cuticle pushers, and other fun things. Our hand and nail care line. So really it's just a place for me to stay organized. Well, for Laura to stay organized, because the truth is she's the one who did all this. Do you see it's like alphabetized, you guys? Having custom cabinetry has its perks because watch this little feature. Did you see that? Soft close. So now that you've seen all of the nail sets that I have, and yes, it is a lot. What about a flash sale?